Faber is proud to introduce the Matrix, our new generation fireplaces with unprecedented possibilities. The fireplaces of the Faber Matrix series are suitable for modular construction, allowing you to design a fireplace completely according to your own preferences. The Faber app allows you to remotely operate the gas fireplace, while it also gives advice regarding usage, service, and maintenance. The complete emphasis lies on creating a flame effect that is as pleasant and cozy as possible. The burning ceramic logs ensure an even more realistic fire experience. For an even better ambiance, the bed of coals can be illuminated by an energy-efficient Symbio LED module via the standard remote control. The switchable step burner with optional smart temperature control ensures the perfect balance between a pleasant room temperature and an optimal flame effect. At full power, the flames are visible across the full depth of the fireplace. When less heat is desired, the fire concentrates itself at the front of the fireplace. With yet another step back, the flames become smaller, but still give the impression of a cozy burning wood fire. Another feature of the Matrix series is the smooth and uninterrupted model lines. The trims have a depth of either 5 or 10 centimeters, and when fitted, will align perfectly with the interior side panels and are suitable for both 3- and 4-sided applications. For a seamless transition from the plinth to the fire using the 3-sided model, you can abut it to the glass of the fireplace. Would you like to know more about Faber's Matrix fireplaces? Please visit our website www.faber.nl.